Okay, so what I'm doing is I did cut off these side tabs. We don't need these. And I'm going to decorate the front of my insect body. Now, I've shown a few ways, different ways to do it with yarn. I've shown it with putting glitter, black glitter on it with some Mod Podge and everything. This time I'm going to use, I have some of this black, I don't know, it's fabric. It's just like a fuzzy black fabric that shows every piece of lint on it. I am going to cover my butterfly body and make it have a little bit of dimension. Okay, so I think this used to be an old blanket. This is, I'm pretty sure it was an old blanket that I cut up to make with a horse. Okay, so I'm just going to put my butterfly body on it. And I'm going to cut just a piece going around. Now you can do this with foam. You can do it with felt. There's all kinds of stuff you can do it. I had this plastic bling stuff. I was going to do it with that. But you can and make your butterfly body dimensional. Throw this fabric. I was going to use leather and all kinds of stuff, but we're not going to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the front of my body here with glue. This is Aleene's tacky glue. So I just got a paintbrush here. I guess it's not going to fit. Oh, there we go. Put some glue onto my paintbrush. Okay, and just give the front of the body a coat of glue. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to flip it upside down. All right, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take my squeegee and we'll go with the fuzz. I'm just going to squeegee the fabric nice and tightly onto the body. So it's going to give it like almost a velvet kind of look. All right, I'm just going to put this to the side for now because I'm going to wait for this glue to semi-dry, and then I'm going to cut around the body, and we're going to put some cable mounts, glue some cable mounts on the back of the butterfly body. You can buy the body at uniqueinthecreek.com. This is another thing that we came up with. So they are made out of recycled plastic, and you can, like I said, you can decorate it all you want. I did cut off the side things. Now you can see why. My material here. Put the bulk of it off with my rotary cutter. Now you don't have to decorate your body. I just like giving it a little bit of dimension and something to look at. Cut all this bulk off. even leave it just like that if you don't want to have like a true head. That's actually pretty cute. That's good enough for me. Just giving it some dimension. I do have little pom-poms that I'm going to glue on the end of the antennae, although they're pretty big pom-poms. You can do all kinds of stuff. I've glittered the bodies. I've made a bee body. These are a little bit big, but they were the only black pom-poms I had. But you guys got the gist of it. All right, so I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to put some cable mounts on the back. So these are just electric cable mounts. So we're going to slide the pipe cleaner through the back of it. Take the paper off. I'm actually going to take this padding off of it too, because it does give way in heat. So we're going to have the plastic glued right to the plastic. Okay, so I'm using a little bit of E6000. So I'll put that in the middle of it and then hot glue around the edges. And I'm going to put it right about there. Press it down. All right. So put some E6000 again in the center. And then hot glue around the outside. And then I think around right here. So the hot glue will help hold it temporarily, and then E6000 after about 24 hours, it stays on there pretty much permanently.